I'm excited to introduce our new field extraction capability. Field extraction enables you to directly extract structured data from documents. For example, if you have a huge set of invoices and want to extract the date, vendor name, and items listed in every invoice, then Agentic Document Extraction now lets you clearly specify what data you want to extract using something called a schema, and it'll then try to consistently extract those fields for you. Here's an example invoice. I'm uploading this invoice to the Agentic Document Extraction interface, which processes the document and then presents some suggestions for fields to extract, like invoice number, date, and vendor details. The specification of what fields to extract, this thing here, is called a schema. For example, it says that the billing name is a string, and the line items are captured in an array, and so on. And you can edit the schema if you wish to suit your application. But I'm just going to accept the suggested schema and run it against the document. A few seconds later, it has extracted the fields. For example, the invoice number and the invoice total. And here it also has the list of all the items in this invoice. If you want to double check one of the answers, you can click on it like I'm doing here for the total amount, that is $48,668. And the user interface also shows the visual grounding, meaning it indicates where in the document it had extracted that field. I'm demonstrating this in the web user interface. For developers, the schema gets compiled to a set of Pydantic classes, which is a common tool for validating data. You can see the code here. And when you run this in code, you paste the Pydantic class definitions into your code, which I've done here in a Jupyter notebook. Then using the Agentic Document Extraction Python library with just a few lines of code, like this shown here, you can extract the fields from an invoice, and again, you can get all the fields extracted. Field extraction is useful for any repetitive document processing, such as if you have a large collection of patient data records and want to extract out the patient name, patient ID, diagnostics, and so on from each record. Or if you have a large collection of car insurance claim forms and want to extract out the date of the incident, vehicle information, and insurance information. Many businesses and individuals have huge collections of forms saved somewhere. Field extraction lets you quickly extract out the key fields from these documents for batch processing. I hope you find this useful, and I look forward to seeing what you build with it.